Okay, so one last thing before we jump into cabinet-specific settings, and this has to do if you are sharing this with a client or anybody that you are working with. You can see down here at the bottom, we have a share menu. If I hit share, you can do a couple different things. First, you can share the actual easel project. This is real similar to how you share easel projects before. You can either make it private or you can make it unlisted. If you make it unlisted, then it's gonna give you a URL and you can share that with someone else. But that may not be the best option if you wanna share it with a client, because you basically are going to see exactly what we have been looking at. So if I open up that URL, this is pretty much exactly what we are looking at. And if you have an easel account, then you can open it up in your own easel account. And that probably is not gonna be the best case if you're working with an end client. So instead, you can actually do a presentation view. So right here, we're gonna click generate link, and then I'm going to open that up. And you can see we have basically just the 3D view of what we have been working with. And you can move this around just like before. You also have the different view options as well, like the wireframe. You can take a picture of it. And you also have this chat/comment area on the right side. This looks great. If I could spell, great. And that is going to show up. If I switch back over to easel, that is going to show up under this section right here. And once I refresh it, that will show up right here, and I can see the comments that the people I'm working with are making. So that is super helpful. And again, you just toggle that on and toggle that off. You could also just like email or text an image of this, and either you could take a screenshot, but the easier way is just gonna be to use the actual camera icon here at the bottom. That's just going to download the image, and this will just give you the 3D view of however you had it positioned and all the view options of what you were just looking at.